What's the meaning of biennial? Biennial. Biennial.
Biennial. Biennial. The term biennial is used to describe something that occurs every 2 years or has a duration of 2 years. It is commonly used in reference to events, such as biennial conferences or exhibitions, which are organized on a schedule that repeats every other year. Biennial plants, on the other hand, have a life cycle of 2 years, completing their growth and reproduction in this time frame. In some cases, the term biennial is also used more generally to suggest something occurring twice within a certain time period, such as biennial budget reviews. Thus, biennial typically refers to a recurring event or process with a 2-year cycle.